Thailand is a budget-friendly gem in Asia, offering stunning mountains, rich culture, and tropical beaches. From mystical temples to vibrant cities, it's the perfect destination for unforgettable adventures. Pack your bags. Here are 5 amazing places to explore in Thailand. Number 5. Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, often called the Rose of the North, is a peaceful escape from the busy cities of Thailand. This city offers a perfect blend of ancient culture and modern life. You'll find centuries-old Buddhist temples standing proudly next to trendy cafes and colorful street markets. A visit to Chiang Mai wouldn't be complete without exploring the old city walls, tasting delicious northern Thai dishes, and shopping at the famous night bazaar. For nature lovers, nearby elephant sanctuaries offer a chance to interact with these gentle giants responsibly. Chiang Mai is also home to Phu Viang National Park, where real dinosaur fossils have been discovered. It's a place full of charm, culture, and adventure. Number 4. Sam Kampring. Hot Springs, located near Chiang Mai, Sam Kampring Hot Springs is one of Thailand's best hidden gems. These natural thermal springs are rich in minerals and known for their relaxing and healing properties. The area is surrounded by lush greenery, making it a peaceful retreat. One of the most unique things you can do here is boil eggs in the hot water. Yes, it's an actual tradition. You can even buy a basket of eggs at the entrance. Some pools are extremely hot, while others are perfect for soaking your feet or taking a dip. It's the perfect stop if you're looking to unwind and enjoy nature. Number 3. Phuket. Phuket is Thailand's most famous island, and for good reason. It offers everything from lively nightlife and beach parties to quiet coves and hidden waterfalls. The island is surrounded by stunning beaches like Patong, Kata, and Karen, each with its own unique vibe. Adventure lovers can try snorkeling, island hopping, or jungle trekking. One of the highlights is visiting Elephant Hills, an ethical elephant sanctuary where you can learn about and care for these amazing animals. Whether you want to relax under palm trees or dive into exciting activities, Phuket delivers a complete tropical experience. Number 2. Ayutthaya. Step into the past with a visit to Ayutthaya, the ancient capital of Thailand. Just a short drive from Bangkok, this historic city is filled with temple ruins, old palaces, and giant Buddha statues. Many of these sites are now part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through Wat Chai Wattanaram, or admire the seated Buddhas at Wat Lokaya Sutha. The city also has a floating market where you can try local snacks and buy handmade souvenirs. Ayutthaya is a peaceful and powerful reminder of Thailand's royal history. Number 1. Bangkok. Topping the list is Bangkok, Thailand's vibrant and exciting capital. This city is a non-stop mix of modern life and ancient culture. You can visit majestic temples like Wat Arun, explore royal palaces, and get lost in busy street markets. Khao San Road is perfect for tasting street food and meeting travelers from all over the world. Don't miss a ride in a tuk-tuk or a visit to the Dam Noen Sarawak floating market for a true Bangkok experience. It's a city that never stops moving and never stops amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world.